Looking for a bike that turns heads, delivers thrilling performance, and offers the perfect riding experience? With so many incredible motorcycles available today, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Some focus on speed, others on style or comfort, but only a few truly offer the complete package. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 hottest bikes that combine breathtaking design, powerful engines, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. We'll compare their speed, horsepower, comfort, handling, features, and overall value to help you find the motorcycle that best matches your riding style. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend rider, or motorcycle enthusiast dreaming of your next ride, these bikes represent the very best the market has to offer. Be sure to watch until the end because our number 1 pick stands above the rest with its unbeatable combination of performance, style, and innovation, and it might not be the bike you expect. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's hit the road. Number 1. Qlife Racer Electric Bike. The Qlife Racer electric bike is a lightweight, 26-inch electric mountain bike designed for commuting and outdoor adventures. Powered by a peak 1,000-watt brushless motor, it reaches speeds of 20+ miles per hour and offers a range of up to 40 miles with pedal assist. Its 21-speed gearing system, front suspension, and 26 by 2.1-inch tires provide smooth handling across city streets and light trails. The removable 375 watt-hour battery charges in about 4 hours, while the LCD display keeps you updated with speed, battery level, and riding mode. Pros: peak 1,000-watt motor with 20+ mile-per-hour top speed, up to 40-mile riding range, 21-speed gearing for different terrains, removable battery with fast charging, LCD display, and front suspension. Cons: carbon steel frame is heavier than aluminum. Moderate battery capacity for long-distance riders. Best for light trails, not extreme off-road use. Final verdict: the Qlife Racer is an excellent value electric bike for commuting, fitness, and weekend rides, offering strong performance, multiple riding modes, and reliable comfort at an affordable price. Number 2. Brightpeak 700C Road Bike. The Brightpeak 700C road bike is a lightweight aluminum commuter bike designed for fitness, daily commuting, and recreational road cycling. Featuring a 21-speed drivetrain, responsive braking system, and adjustable riding position, it delivers smooth performance on paved roads and urban streets. Its durable aluminum frame keeps the bike lightweight while maintaining strength, and the 700C-style wheels provide efficient speed and stability. With adjustable handlebars and seat height, the bike comfortably fits riders from 5'3" to 6'2" and supports up to 330 pounds. Pros: lightweight aluminum frame, smooth 21-speed gear system, comfortable adjustable riding position, reliable braking performance, great for commuting and fitness rides. Cons: front suspension adds extra weight for a road bike. Basic components for entry-level riders. Not designed for rough off-road trails. Final verdict: the Brightpeak 700C road bike is a solid entry-level choice for commuters, casual cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts, offering a comfortable ride, reliable components, and trusted Schwinn quality at a great value. Number 3. Schwinn Network 3.5 Hybrid Bike. The Schwinn Network 3.5 Hybrid Bike is a versatile commuter and fitness bike built for comfortable, everyday riding. Its lightweight aluminum frame, 21-speed drivetrain, and 700C wheels deliver smooth performance on city streets, bike paths, and light trails. The bike features twist shifters for quick gear changes, alloy linear pull brakes for reliable stopping power, and a suspension seat post with ergonomic grips to reduce fatigue on longer rides. Designed for riders between 5'5" and 6'0", it offers an upright riding position that balances comfort and control. Pros: lightweight aluminum frame, smooth 21-speed shifting, comfortable suspension seat post, reliable alloy linear pull brakes, ideal for commuting and fitness rides. Cons: not designed for rough mountain trails. Basic pedals included, some assembly required. Final verdict: the Schwinn Network 3.5 is an excellent hybrid bike for commuters, casual cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts, offering a comfortable ride, reliable components, and trusted Schwinn quality at a great value. Number 4. Schwinn GTX Comfort Hybrid Bike. The Schwinn GTX Comfort Hybrid Bike is a versatile dual-sport bicycle built for both city streets and light trails. Its lightweight aluminum frame, 21-speed drivetrain, and 700C wheels provide a smooth, efficient ride, making it ideal for commuting, fitness, and weekend adventures. Designed with a front suspension fork, multi-terrain tires, and an ergonomic sports saddle, the GTX delivers extra comfort over uneven roads. Twist shifters, a rear derailleur, and alloy linear pull brakes ensure reliable control and responsive handling on a variety of terrains. Pros: lightweight aluminum frame, smooth 21-speed gear system, comfortable front suspension fork, multi-terrain tires for road and trail use, reliable linear pull brakes. Cons: not intended for aggressive mountain biking. Basic stock saddle may not suit every rider. Some assembly required. Final verdict: the Schwinn GTX Comfort Hybrid Bike is an excellent choice for commuters, fitness riders, and recreational cyclists who want a comfortable, reliable, and versatile bike for both pavement and light off-road adventures. Number 5. VIRIBUS Hybrid Bike. The VIRIBUS Hybrid Bike is a lightweight 700C city bike designed for commuting, fitness, and casual road riding. Its aluminum frame, 7-speed drivetrain, and dual-disc brakes provide a comfortable and reliable ride, while built-in front and rear lights improve visibility for daily travel. With a corrosion-resistant frame supporting up to 330 pounds, smooth thumb shifting, and 85% pre-assembled design, this bike is ideal for riders seeking an easy-to-maintain hybrid bicycle for urban roads and light trails. Pros: lightweight aluminum frame, smooth 7-speed thumb shifter, reliable dual-disc brakes, front and rear lights included, quick and easy assembly. Cons: only 7 speeds for limited gear range. Rigid fork offers less shock absorption. Better for city roads than rough trails. Final verdict: the VIRIBUS Hybrid Bike is a stylish, beginner-friendly commuter bike that delivers dependable performance, safety, and comfort for everyday riding and weekend fitness trips.